Hey guys, so we're hanging out in our house. Tasty and I are hanging out. What do you think of our house, Tasty? She is so cute. She's just been spending time with me as I am trying to prep everything to get painted for this weekend. And she's been keeping me company, which is really sweet. So I'm gonna show you guys our paint swatches. So what we're gonna do, I wanted to just see what everything looked like on the wall. These are obviously very sloppy and you can see things through it, but ignore that. So this color is actually going to be over here where the fireplace is. So this whole wall is gonna be this kind of medium gray, I would call it. And then the rest of the walls and the kitchen are gonna be this light gray. So this one we had maybe thought we would do, but it looks more white to me, which is not what I was looking for. So we're just doing grays. And I like the contrast of these two, so I think that's what we're gonna do. Oh, it's terrible lighting in here. Sorry guys, we have to get new light bulbs and everything. So that's what we've been doing, and we're getting ready to paint, which is really exciting. We haven't ordered our carpet yet. The person came and measured, so we're still waiting for the call for them to tell us the final price before we can actually order it. So we're waiting on that, and once we get the carpet and paint, then we can finally move in. Right, Tace? Right, Tasty? She's laying on my pants because right now we don't even have a rug, so I laid out my pants for her to lay on. So we're just waiting on those things. So yeah, we're a work in progress, but I cannot wait until everything is done and it's gonna look like a whole new house. So yeah, that's kind of a short vlog today because really didn't do much. I just got over here. Noah's going to his D&D session, so he's gonna be gone. So Tasty and I are just hanging out and cleaning. We're wiping down the walls and just getting things ready to paint. So very excited because I'm ready to have some nice fresh painted walls. Dad, come on, boy, please. Say good morning. Good morning. We're gonna go have breakfast with Grandma. Well, you aren't, but we are.
Lay on my face up there.
This is what Blaze does in the morning. Just goes up to your face and just lays on it. It makes these noises. What are those noises all about? Mm-hmm. You've been up way longer than us. I don't know why you're yawning. So let's see where the day takes us today. So we're about to go have breakfast with my grandma and her FTD caregiver support group. So that's what my grandpa had before he passed away. And actually today is his 78th birthday. He's celebrating that up in heaven. We really miss him a lot. So we wanted to have some time with my grandma and just have some fellowship and remember him and everything. It's kind of a hard time because he's not here and it would have been his birthday. So we're gonna go have some breakfast and we'll hang out with my grandma for a little bit. Hey guys, so we're about to go back to the house to do some paint prep. So we have to wash all the walls with this TSP stuff, and I don't know, it's gonna be a lot of work, but it'll be really nice. And I just really wish that we could just paint right now. Just want to get it over with. But we found out when our carpet is going to be installed, and it's going to be installed July 10th. So not too bad. I mean, we gotta wait some time, but it's better than I thought it was gonna be. So that's gonna be coming soon, and then we'll finally be able to move. We move all our stuff. We're hoping to move at least our couch and stuff after we're done painting. So that'll make it feel a little bit more like home. But right now it feels like it's just like a rental property. We're going there sometimes, and so right now it doesn't feel like our actual house because we're not technically living there right now. But we got a lot of projects to do, so we're gonna get going. Changing light bulbs, woohoo! Hey guys, so we just got done doing all the prepping for paint. We still have to put painter's tape on the bedrooms upstairs, but basically downstairs is all prepped and ready. I used TSP, which is this very strong cleaner that you use before you're gonna paint. I used it on all the walls, and how we did that was we used this big mop, like one of those sponge end mops, and it worked really well. It was a lot of work though. Like, I was getting my arm workout and my leg workout, my squats in, you know. It was pretty, it was a lot of physical work, and it is 9:04 right now, and we just started this thing at 4:45. So we've been working a long time, but we got a lot done, and then we're gonna finish the rest of the painting prep tomorrow, so putting all the painter's tape and everything up. But all the walls are washed and everything, and that was like the big part of it because the walls were really gross, and it actually helped the smell a lot because it's kind of gross. Nobody really tells you, but when you buy a house, especially when you don't really know what's been going on there while people have been living in there. In our case, there were renters, and so they just kind of treated it like, I mean, they didn't really care. It wasn't their house, so they didn't really care. So there were, you know, marks on the walls, pencil marks, like somebody drew on the walls, just grime and dirt and all kinds of stuff. Like, it was gross. But you don't really know these things when you're going into buying a house. So when you wash all the walls, you will definitely be able to see how gross they are. And these people never dusted or cleaned or kept up the house at all. So we had to go through and deep clean everything. Dusting, mopping, I mean, just cleaning everything. It'll be nice though, because now it feels like it smells a little bit better because of all the cleaning stuff. But of course the carpet is the major thing because it kind of smells like pet urine. It really does. Like, they had a cat and a dog, and I think they just peed wherever they wanted. I don't even know. We are getting new carpet in a few weeks, so very excited about that. That will definitely help the smell a lot. But right now, we can't even live there until the carpet is changed because Noah has asthma, so he can't be in there in that kind of environment, or it's gonna really make his asthma worse. We aren't able to move in yet, which is really, really hard for me because I've been wanting to move in for so long. So, like I said, it doesn't feel like our house quite yet, but we're getting there. But we're putting a lot of elbow grease into this house, and I cannot wait to see how everything looks when it's done. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm gonna kind of show you guys before and after pictures and videos, so you guys can kind of see how things are different after we're done with them. And I'm really excited to see how everything turns out because I've had this like vision in my head of how I wanted my house to look, and so you're just having to try to make that vision actual reality. That's kind of crazy for me to think about. So we're gonna go back to Noah's parents' house, which is where we are living currently, because of all the bins and boxes. Like, at my parents' house in the basement where we were living before was just like too much, and so Noah's parents were kind enough and like, want to stay in the guest bedroom, so until we can move in. So I'm very appreciative of that. So we're gonna go back there and just rest, because I feel like I could sleep for like 5 days. I've been doing so much work. We've been doing so much work. But that's having a house, right? You never know how much work you have to put into it. And there's like a project list a mile long, but we're getting there. All that matters is that we get that, all the rooms painted and the carpet in, and then we can finally officially move in. But until tomorrow, guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!